Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to hide names on Snapchat notifications. So first you open Snapchat application, then you go to your profile and on the top right corner you will see the gear icon, you click on that. Then on the options you will find notifications, you click on that, and here you disable any notification that you see is unnecessary to show up, and after that you just close Snapchat application and you go and open your settings in your phone. Then you scroll down and you go to apps and search for Snapchat application. You click on that. Then you will see the option notifications. You click on that. And here you will find the option show or hide content when locked. You just click on that and you choose hide when locked. And in some other options and some other phones you will find never. You just click on never and it will not be shown even when your phone is unlocked. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.